So the most important thing is the spinny part. So that's the rotors. We got the main rotor and the tail rotor. The tail rotor is arguably the most dangerous since when it's spinning, it's very difficult to see. So for that reason, this is kind of your cutoff point. So we don't go anywhere near the tail. So this is if you need to go around the other side, you always go around the front, never go underneath, and never go near the tail. So we'll be spinning very fast, and that won't be very nice to go close to it. Okay. Also with the main rotors, so you either want to be close to the helicopter or you want to be far away. Okay, you don't want to be in between. Like if you're around the blade tips, this is the most dangerous area because the blades can come down and it could impact you. And just adjust, put it over your head, adjust the microphone so it's almost touching your mouth, and then you can talk to each other. You can talk to me, and then when you get out, obviously take it off, and then you have to on the hangers on top.
So today we land here in Kalapattar after we reached base camp. Was the first base camp of the Mount Everest climbing. Our kids you see in the back. Our guest is enjoying. So this is the view of Kalapattar actually. Yeah, I'm landing and making movie. It's a good view. That's Tibetan mountain. I have been many times here by walking, but this is a super experience here. So I'm gonna making 360-degree view from here. It's really nice. So you have the GoPro to this flight?
That's dream come true. Be here on the top of the roof, basically the highest place in the world. See Mount Everest, you know, that's amazing. It's already worth it, you know, whatever you spend. It's a lifetime experience. Lifetime. That's one of the best days in our life, actually. Amazing. Super.
You?
I'm very happy. I first time reply. Very big experience for me. I'm a little bit dizzy, but everything is okay.
Okay. So today we are very lucky. The weather is really nice here.
It's great. Actually, it's only minus 7
Yeah.
degrees, so you know.
So is mountain is normally
Lucky.
normally mountain is called for October, November. We are doing this tour in December. December is a little bit cool, but the view is super now.
The weather is, I mean, sky is so blue, crystal clear, really.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
Now I speak Polish. Very, bardzo fajne miejsce. I'm very happy. Nie ma tutaj jeszcze.
Speak Polish.
Okay.
Wspaniałe miejsce, dach świata. On the Everest, right tutaj zaraz przed nami. Warto tu przyjechać i zobaczyć to miejsce. Super, naprawdę super.
Okay, this is the view here. So that one is Pumori. That one is Pumori. Pumori. Mount Pumori. So we are going to inside the Hotel Everest view. Hotel Everest view. 3,880 meter.
Happy New Year.
Ah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's December 30th today.
Yeah, almost Happy New Year.
Almost Happy New Year, yes.
Okay. So now we are in Everest View Hotel. We're eating breakfast here. We have 1 hour time. The weather is really nice here. How are you?
Great food too.
Okay.
Fantastic place, beautiful view here. We have fantastic weather also, which helps.
And fantastic guy.
And fantastic guy, of course. That's probably the most important
You
thing, because that
make
makes
me-
our day.
You make me tease. I'm happy now.